Magandang buhay! Ngayon, ang ating pag-aralan ay tungkol sa pagkakaiba-iba ng mga sumusunod: rational expression, rational function, rational inequality, and rational inequality. Simulan na natin sa rational expression. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng rational expression? Ito ay ang expression of two polynomials. Pag sinabing expressions, kung hindi nyo pa alam, maaari ninyong tingnan ang aking video sa pagkakaiba ng expression at equation. Tingnan nyo yon. Pag sinabi natin expression, in English, that's a phrase. It's either a subject or only a predicate. For instance, 3. That's an expression. For instance, 3x, only an expression. 2 plus y, an expression. And at the same time, that's a polynomial. Rational is from the root word ratio. Okay? A quotient. Okay? Ratio. It means the numerator is a polynomial and the denominator is another polynomial. Take note that in order that the given expression is rational, the denominator should not equal to 0. Okay? Ang denominator ay hindi dapat 0 kasi hindi siya defined. For instance, x plus 1 all over x minus 5 is an example of rational expression. Okay? Because the numerator, x plus 1, is a polynomial. The denominator, x minus 5, is a polynomial. Kung hindi nyo pa alam ang tungkol sa polynomial, maaari ninyong tingnan o maaari ninyong panoorin ang video na ginawa ko tungkol sa polynomial. Salamat po. Another example ay 1 over 2x. 1 is a number, but this is a polynomial. Why is it that 1 is considered as a polynomial? Because 1 has a literal coefficient of x, but the exponent is 0. So it became a constant number. And the denominator is 2x is also a polynomial. Another one is x squared minus 4 all over x plus 2 is a rational expression because the numerator is a polynomial and the denominator is a polynomial. Okay? It's a ratio of two polynomial. Another, we have 2 all over the square of x minus 2 is a rational expression. 2, I said, is a polynomial. It's a constant polynomial, and the denominator have 2 minus x minus 2 squared, or the square of x minus 2 is another polynomial. So this one is also an example of a rational expression, x squared plus 1. Kung mapapansin niyo, walang denominator, sir. Paano yan maging rational expression? There is a denominator of x squared plus 1 which is equal to 1. Hindi na natin nilagay ang 1 na denominator because it's only 1. X squared plus 1 as numerator is a polynomial and the denominator which is 1 is also a polynomial. So therefore, x squared plus 1 is a rational expressions. All of these are rational expressions because all of these are only subject in English or what we call a phrase. Okay? It's a phrase. Okay? Hindi siya nag-i-state ng equality or inequality. It's not a sentence. Okay? So tatandaan nyo lang ganyan, these are expression without the presence of equal sign or inequality sign. And all of these are rational expressions. Okay, let's proceed to rational function. A rational function represented by r of x is a function of the form r of x equals p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomial functions. Remember that q of x is not equal to 0 or the denominator is not equal to 0. I'll give you an example of rational functions. Ang tatandaan nyo lang sa rational function ay dalawang variables ang ginamit. The variable y, or represented by the functional notation f of x or g of x, gumamit tayo ng code of the function. So, that's for variable y. And we have another variable x. The variable x that referring to independent variable to make it a function. Yan ang first clue. Dalawang variable, y and x. Pangalawang clue ay yung y pwedeng palitan ng function notation. F of x, g of x, h of x, m of x. And also there is an equality sign. Tandaan ha? There is an equality sign, dalawang variable, x and y. Okay? Then, that's a rational function. Of course, ang numerator dapat ay polynomial function at ang denominator ay polynomial. Okay, you know kung ano ang polynomial. Remember that rational function is also a mathematical sentence. It is state of being equal. Okay? And it is state it has a main idea because it has already a subject and it has already a predicate. So it's a sentence. Okay? Tandaan lang ha, may equal, dalawang letters or variables, the independent variable represented by x and the dependent variable represented by y, or we use the function notation f of x. Another example, y equals 1 over 2x. 1 is a polynomial function, 2x is a polynomial function. Therefore, this is a rational function kasi may variable x and may variable y at may equality sign. Another, g of x equals x squared minus 4 all over x plus 2 is a rational function. Another, h of x equals 2 all over the square of x minus 2 is a polynomial function. Y equals x squared plus 1 is a polynomial function. Kung aalisin natin dito ang mga equal sign at yung variable y or the function notation, ay lahat lang siya rational expression. Yung kanina, sa primerong slide, nakita nyo, ginawan ko lang ng y, dinagdagan ko ng y at ng equality sign at ng function notation as a replacement of y, it became rational function. Okay, another. How about rational equation? Ano ang pagkakaiba nito sa rational function? A rational equation is an equation involving rational expressions. And take note, the denominator is not also equal to 0. Okay, ang tatandaan nyo naman sa rational equation, may equal sign at isang letter lang ang gamit. Take note, isang variable lang ang ginamit at may equality sign. Sa rational function, dalawang variable x and y at may equality sign. Okay? Another, we have 3 equals 1 over 2x is a rational equation. Another, x squared minus 4 all over x plus 2 equals 2 is a rational equation. 1 equals 2 all over the square of x minus 2 is a rational equation. 7 minus 5x equals x squared plus 1 is also a rational equation. So, kung mapapansin nyo, walang denominator because the denominator of this is 1. And remember, I said, ang 1 is a polynomial and this one is considered as rational expression na yung nasa right at 7 minus 5x all over 1 is also rational expression. Rational expression equals another rational expressions. It became now rational equation if there is only one variable being used in these symbols. Okay, lahat ito ay rational equations. Alam niyo na. How about rational inequality? Is an inequality involving rational expressions. Also, the denominator is not equal to 0. Okay. So take note, ano ang pagkakaiba nito sa rational? Ano ang pagkakaiba nito sa rational? Okay, for instance, this is rational equation. Okay, it uses a rational inequality. Okay, for instance, we have here this. Okay, I forgot to change. Sorry. Okay, so okay, if you notice, so rational equation siya kanina, pinalitan ko lang ng inequality symbol yung equal sign. It became now rational inequality. O, tingnan nyo, naging rational inequality na siya. Isa lang din ang variable ang ginamit. To sum up, rational expression, only expression yung numerator and denominator, walang equal sign, walang inequality sign. Rational function, may equal sign, pero dalawang variables ang ginamit, may x at may y. Rational equation, may equal sign din, pero isa lang ang variable na ginamit. How about rational inequality? May isang variable din, pero inequality sign ang ginamit. Ngayon, kung sa mga ito, may ginamit din na inequality sign, may ginamit na equal sign, pero hindi siya rational function, hindi siya rational inequality, hindi siya rational equation, hindi siya rational expressions, wala doon, ibig sabihin, pwede siya radical function. Ano yung tinatawag na radical function? Kung may variable or may letter inside the radical sign, wala siya sa apat na nabanggit. Okay? For instance, ito naging square root of x. Then, ganito rin ang hindi siya rational inequality. So, another one, if the exponent is a variable. For instance, itong 1, may exponent na variable, hindi siya rational equation, hindi siya rational inequality, hindi siya rational function, hindi siya rational expression. Okay. Madali ba yung nawain? All about rational expression, rational function, rational equation, and